So here I have Kia Rio. So here are the interior, and you can see September 2015. That is 2016. You can see. So here I will be fixing the AC. So I got to change the compressor. Here the new compressor is original from Korea, and here and the condenser original from the Korea. Here to unbox the compressor. Okay. And here the other one. You can see the other one got stuck. So the rotary is not turning. So here the other one. In here there was a sensor. Solenoid. The compressor sensor. Okay. And here is the old condenser. But you have to clean the AC system before fixing the new condenser. Have to clean the AC system. Now I clean the vibrator. I also replace the shunt valve. So this is the valve that every magic happen here. So this is the reason why the car is cold. After the compressor give the pressure gas into this station valve. So here are where the magic happen. So I replace this to the new one. So here are new station valve. So I also clean the vibrator properly well. I clean it very well. So you make sure that you clean it, and you also clean the pipe. You can see this. So this oil that come out when I was cleaning the AC pipe. You can see I clean the AC pipe. Make sure that you clean it. And here the compressor space in here. Over there is the compressor space. Here. And here is the oil that I use. I also recommend this oil. This oil is very nice. It's R134A. So the oil is very nice. I recommend the oil, so you can also use this oil. So in here you can see I installed the compressor already. Here the compressor. I installed the compressor already. Here the compressor. And here the power socket to the compressor. So this is time to install the condenser.